Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel where I review the latest tech reviews. Today, I am diving into the extraordinary world of smartphones with the brand new Honor Magic 6 Pro. Honor has once again pushed the boundaries of innovation, bringing us a device that's not just a phone but a technological masterpiece. In this detailed review, I am going to explore every inch of the Honor Magic 6 Pro, from its powerful internals to its stunning camera capabilities. So let's get started. Before starting the video, like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech updates. Alright, let's kick things off with what's under the hood. The Honor Magic 6 Pro boasts a whopping 12 GB of RAM, ensuring lightning-fast performance and smooth multitasking. Paired with a generous 256 GB of internal storage, you'll have ample space for all your apps, games, photos, and videos. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, this smartphone delivers blazing fast speeds and exceptional responsiveness. Now let's talk about the camera setup. The Honor Magic 6 Pro features an impressive array of lenses. On the back, you'll find a triple camera setup with a 64-megapixel main sensor, complemented by 50-megapixel and 50-megapixel lenses, capturing every detail with precision. On the front, there's a powerful 16-megapixel camera, perfect for capturing stunning selfies and high-quality video calls. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just love capturing moments, this phone has you covered. Moving on to the display, the Honor Magic 6 Pro boasts a gorgeous 6.8-inch screen, providing an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web, every detail comes to life on this vibrant display. And to power all these amazing features, the phone packs a robust 5,500 mAh battery, ensuring you stay connected and productive throughout the day. And there you have it, folks, the Honor Magic 6 Pro, a true powerhouse in the world of smartphones. With its impressive RAM, ample storage, exceptional camera capabilities, stunning display, and long-lasting battery, this phone sets a new standard for mobile devices. If you're looking for a device that can keep up with your demands, the Honor Magic 6 Pro is the one to get. Be sure to check the link in the description below to grab yours. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.